Yeah, hi, it's Bill from Gold Prospecting WA. Somebody contacted me today and said they were having trouble viewing the links in the historical gold mines of WA PDF. So I've just downloaded it again myself to have a look at it. This is the PDF document here, which is the Council Gold Mining Leases that have produced gold. This is a 1954 publication, and we've put in PDF format for you. So, how the links work is if you click on them. Incidentally, I use Foxit Phantom PDF reader for this. I find it much easier and it's free. That'll take you to the start of the data, and it's got all of the information from all of the districts. So you would click a district, for instance, if you wanted to see North East Kalgoorlie. It will take you to North East Coolgardie Kanowna, give you the name of the mine, the number of the lease, how much gold was produced, how much tonnage in gold, and the date, 1898. Alternatively, go back to the top, and if you wanted to search for a particular mine, just type it in there. I've typed in Big Bell, click enter, and it will go through searching the whole document for all those that have Big Bell. So that's a document. If you do ever have any trouble with those downloads, just give me an email and I'll send you another PDF copy by mail. Thanks very much. This is Bill from Gold Prospecting WA.